How to see an item ID in Roblox mobile. So first of all, open up your web browser and tap on the search bar. Now search for Roblox and tap on search. Now open up the first website. Now select continue in browser. Now go to marketplace. Now open up any item you want to see ID for. Now tap on the search bar. Now tap on edit icon. Now scroll little bit. You will find item ID between catalog and item name. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.